Healthcare is embracing digitisation. It's a revolution that presents immense opportunity, but also brings new risks. With thousands, even millions of moving parts and people needing to communicate and coordinate, healthcare is uniquely complex and dynamic. Arguably, no sector stands to benefit more from the seamless integration of technologies and sharing of data. But every element of a complex system, including medical devices, presents a potential hazard, a weak spot that cybercriminals will seek out and try to exploit. The complexity we seek to conquer with digitisation could be its undoing. That's why security in healthcare information systems and medical devices is fundamental and needs to be designed in from the very beginning, which is where RHEA comes in. We have decades of experience keeping satellites safe and secure in orbit, their systems and data protected from external attacks, while working 24/7 in the harshest environment imaginable. RHEA has supported over 100 orbital missions, keeping critical national infrastructure secure, operational, and online. As you can imagine, it's hard fixing satellites when they're 200 kilometres up and travelling at 50,000 kilometres per hour. You can't just pop a new module in. That's why we understand the need to design in security from the beginning. It's in our DNA. Today, we have applied this space-proven approach to the challenge of designing secure healthcare IT systems, simplifying complexity while harnessing its capability. European projects such as PANACEA have given RHEA the opportunity to apply our experience from the space sector into healthcare. With our Secure Design Support Platform, we provide a powerful new tool that lets users create more secure, complex systems while using security by design principles. It helps designers perform security risk assessments for complex systems during the different phases of the engineering lifecycle, automatically calculating the risk level of each asset based on the expert's choices. The platform also gives system architects a clear overview of the security envelope of the system, enabling a better tuning of security requirements and a proper management of the cyber risks. Underpinning this is a deep understanding of the challenges the healthcare sector faces. Healthcare IT networks are jungles, highly interwoven ecosystems established over time with the new overlying the old, and a vast array of actors and elements interacting every second of every day. A doctor connects her laptop to the hospital Wi-Fi, maybe a tablet too, and her phone, her own personal device. Throughout a busy day, she accesses, shares and stores information, then goes to do clinic in another hospital, logging onto their system while she's there. She doesn't have time to worry about the strength of her password or the 5G network she's joined. She just needs to get on with her job. Operating theatres and wards are full of technologies monitoring and supporting patients. Clinicians worry about saving lives, not cyber attacks. The rate of innovation in healthcare is breathtaking. The idea of a surgeon in one country operating on a patient thousands of miles away using satellite-linked robots still seems like the stuff of science fiction. Yet, it's a practical reality. And, as we're seeing today, with the incredible global effort to create vaccines for COVID-19, this huge and complex system works. It is perhaps our most extraordinary achievement, but it only works so long as it's safe. Code must be uncorrupted, test results kept safe, information safely delivered, untampered and properly protected. A patient's data isn't just ones and zeros, it's their life. It's also a prized item for sale on the dark web. So we need to pay attention to the fact that cyber attacks are on the increase. The whole of healthcare is a target. There are three main areas of vulnerability. The first is the product. Millions of devices in hospitals, laboratories, pharmaceutical companies, doctor surgeries. Then comes the process. How do these devices connect to each other? Last, but definitely not least, the people. Are they logging in and out correctly? And how strong are their passwords? The Secure Design Support Platform lets users click and drag to build the system or medical device they want. All the capability they need is there, but in the background, maximising ease of use. The platform interacts with system and software requirements and design elements and easily assesses threats, vulnerabilities and risks, categorising them with colour identifiers, red to green. System designers don't have to worry about every possible connection or weak side of the system they are building. This tool identifies them by highlighting major risks and providing the means to reduce them by introducing tailored security controls. The tool itself is well protected. Confidential information is guarded through role-based access, letting key players communicate securely, while also storing project information and assets so design histories can be traced and checked. The Secure Design Support Platform simplifies complexity. Building or joining complex systems together becomes a more manageable task, despite the many moving parts. Above all, it creates confidence that no job is too big and that the end results will always be secure. For more information, please contact info@rheagroup.com. www.rheagroup.com